students, today we are going to start a new lesson 9, the northern plan. So northern plan, the food bowl of India, is known as the food bowl of India because most of the foods are grown in the northern plan. So here is the starter. Shreya lives in Chennai. She is going to Delhi today with her family to attend a family function. She had heard so much about the famous street foods and the mouth-watering dishes of Delhi. Apart from famous food, what other attract can Riya enjoy while in Delhi? Discuss. That means Delhi, Shreya gone to Delhi, okay, and she has listened all the features of Delhi and what are the more things she will find in Delhi we have to discuss. Okay, so I will tell you this part later on. Let us discuss the main topic. Okay, knowledge mapping. So we will discuss about introduction, that is the northern plan. We will discuss little bit about the northern plan, then the physical features of northern plan, climates of northern plan. These are the three topics we will discuss today. So introduction. The northern plan lies between the Himalaya mountain and the Deccan plateau. This range is known as Indus Ganga Brahmaputra plan. So I will give you one map. Okay, I will give one photo of map. There you will see the northern plan. In the map, which portion is northern plan, you will see there. And the northern plans look like a what? Sloping. The northern plan shape is what? Sloping in a map. So Indus River you will find Ganga and Brahmaputra. So Indus, in first you will find Indus, three part it has been divided. Indus, then Ganga, then Brahmaputra. Okay, so it covers 30% of geographical area of India. That means in a map 30% area of India is covered by northern plan, and 40% of the total population in India lives there, and also 40% of the population of India also live in a northern plan. So it is also called the heart of India, and it is also known as the heart of India because all the main crops grow in the northern plan. Then you will find all the rivers, all the rivers you will find there, then all the mountains you will find there, all the then all the hills you will find there, then forest, wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, all the things are grown in the northern plan you will find there, and the tourist places are also there. So physical features of northern plan. What are the physical features? The great plan of northern India were formed by debris and a sediment brought down. What do you mean by debris? Debris is a broken piece of rock. Okay, so the great plan of northern India. So the great plan of northern India were from how the northern India northern plan formed. It has been formed by the broken rocks. Okay, and the sediment. It is a solid material that is moved and decomposed in a new location. Okay, and it can be rock, it can be mineral, it can be plants, animals, or small grains of sand. Also sediment can be anything brought down by the river Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. That means northern plan, the great plan of northern India, northern plan are formed by the rocks come out from the places, then rocks, then sands, then all the things which come out and form in a Ganga, Brahmaputra and river. These three rivers together it form a northern plan. The accumulated of sediments form vast alluvial plant of northern India. So accumulated means what? After gathering together all the rocks, all the sand, then all the plants, animals, whatever it comes from the rivers, all accumulated. That means all gathered together and form a alluvial soil. Alluvial soil are the soil that are decomposed by the surface water. Okay, we can found alluvial soil only in river because it it is also known as a river line. It is also known as what? River line. And it has been found in river, then flood plain, then stream terrace. Okay. So all the things are gathered together to form a northern India. So northern India is basically formed by these three rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. You have to remember it. What are the main three rivers formed in the northern plain? So your answer will be Ganga, Brahmaputra and what? Indus. Now see here the next page, you can see the map. See this portion, I have said sloping portion is what? Northern plain. This portion you will find Indus. Okay, you will find here Indus. This portion you will find Ganga. And this portion you will find what? Brahmaputra. You can see here all the things are written here. So Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. You will find this portion is what? Indus. So these three rivers form what? These three rivers form in the northern plain. So these plains are flat and low lying. That means it has been curved, okay, curved shape. They are classified into three main divisions. So Punjab plain drained by river Ganga, Indus. This portion is Indus. Here you will find Punjab, okay. Then Ganga plain drained by river Ganga. This portion you will find Ganga plain. Brahmaputra plain drained by river Brahmaputra. This is the Brahmaputra plain you will find in the Brahmaputra river. I have said you these are the three rivers you will find in this map. So first we will discuss what? Punjab plain. So Punjab plain, what do you mean by Punjab plain? The western part of northern plain is called the western. This is the west part, isn't it? This is the east part, this is the west part. So western part of northern plain is called Punjab plain. This plain is drained by Indus and its tributaries. So tributaries are the portion of an area where the river flow, such as Sutlej, Beas and Ravi. These are the rivers you will find in the Indus plain. So Indus river, okay. This plains is made tributary. These are the three tributaries which where all the sands, rocks are mixed together to come to the Indus plain. Okay, these are the tributaries. This plains is made of fine slate and the soil is absorbent. Fine slate means what? Slate means a large narrow cut or opening way. Now large narrow cut or opening way. Suppose this is a river, okay. This is a river. There will be small cuts. There will be small river. These are the tributaries. Suppose these are the tributaries. This is a small river. This small river join together to form a big river. Yes, these are the narrow path which join to the big river is known as what? Slide. And the soil is absorbent. That means the soil is very good for fertile. The plain which is formed by decomposition of a new alluvium near the river bank is called a belt. And after forming a plain, when a new plain form, it decomposes lots of rock. Yes, rocks are formed. Then you will find sands. So after there the soil is very much what? Alluvium. That means it is very much good for fertilizer, and and this portion is known as what? Bed. The foothills of Punjab plain are covered by gravel, sand, boulders, that means big rocks, round shaped rocks and clay, and are called a Bhagbar plain. So what is Bhagbar plain? The foothill of Punjab. That means the topmost portion of Punjab are covered by gravel, sand and boulders, clay, and which is known as what? Bhagbar plain. So Punjab word is made up of two Parsi word. Punch means 5 and up means water. So Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers. Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. So what are the rivers? 5 rivers you will find in Punjab. You have to name them. Okay. So Punjab is made up of two Parsi word. Punch means 5 and ab means what? Water. So Punjab is called a land of 5 rivers. Okay.